Yeah, my wife, ice maker, was having problems with not putting out enough water to fill the thing to make it proper ice cubes on our Frigidaire little countertop ice maker. So I had to break it apart, see what was going on, and what it wound up being was just a bunch of clogged intake hoses to the pump and everything. And in fact, it wound up being the pump being clogged too. So here's a video showing which parts to take apart, how to take them apart, clean it. If anybody's having the same problem, I hope this helps you. Thank you. Alright, once you take the shell apart, which was a couple screws here, it slides up. Now, 2 screws on the bottom. Take those 2 screws and that screw out. The panel should raise up and slide out. You don't need to take this one off. I just took it off for my sake. Then you got some screws here. There should be 3. Then 2 across the bottom. The back panel comes out. This was just held on with zip ties, Titans. Take that off, pull that off, and down here, take this loose. This whole thing on mine was clogged. I mean, it had a massive buildup. I had to take it out and clean it. For this one, what you want to do is pull this loose from the pump on this side. Take you a crescent wrench or something. Take this cap off, and then undo this nut and slide it out. Then you're going to pull it loose from the back yonder. This one was clogged up too. So I took both of them out, cleaned them out, and I still wasn't getting enough water pressure. I mean, it was going, but barely going. In fact, I was thinking that this pump was bad. So on the bottom side of this pump is 1 screw. You take it loose, and then, hold on, let me get right up in here. This one right here. You're going to squeeze that prong and pull it out on the circuit board. Pull it through, take that 1 screw out, and this whole pump assembly will come out. Now what I found was that this pump right there where the water intake was from here had massive clogging. So I took it, there's 3 screws on the top. You can take them out, be gentle, and you can completely clean that rod and get any buildup off of it. Put it all back together, wire this back into the circuit board, put that 1 screw back on, stick this through, and go ahead and put your security nut on this side. Hook up to the tank, the reservoir, hook back up to here, hook back up to here, and hook back up to here. And that was it. It was just a lot of clogged lines. So just a little standard maintenance. If you're having the same problems with yours not getting enough water, see now I'm all the way full, right where I need to be. So if you were having that problem, I hope this helps you, and thank you.